Hello, and thank you for watching my video blog. Today, we're at Aggressive Appliances to learn about the new trends in appliances. This is the Miele built-in coffee machine. It will make espresso, macchiato, cappuccino, and regular coffee at the touch of a button. This system has a built-in coffee grinder that will grind your favorite bean and a built-in milk tank that makes frothing milk a snap. There are automatic prompts for adding more water, beans, emptying the reservoir, and closing the door. Let's look inside. This is where your beans go. This is where the water goes. Unless it's already plumbed, then you don't have to add water. This is where the milk goes. This is where the coffee cup goes. Press a button. Voila, a beautiful cup of coffee. Miele, offering the ultimate coffee experience with the press of a button right in your own home. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Yum!